not very high stress.
I've got a lot of projects, I guess.
Exams.
Yeah, I have 3 midterms and I have a lot of assignment to do. I have paper due.
Midterms, more midterms. I'm stressed out about getting everything done before I go home for Thanksgiving. Yeah. And getting our classes.
I have a big paper due tomorrow.
I have the midterms next week.
Yeah, because I just had midterms and I have some more later. Like life.
Not anymore, I'm gonna pick your dog.
Happy. Forgetting everything.
It's really comforting. Yeah, it's really comforting. He's so cute.
It lets me feel so happy, and it lets me feel, oh gosh, if I had one.
You think it does?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely make me less stressed.
Yeah, I feel much better.
Really?
Yeah, because it reminds me of my brother's one.
It feels nice because I really miss my dog and it's really nice to see one of these around.
Like everything's gonna be okay in the world. Yeah. World peace.
The dog's really cute, so brightens my day.
Amazingly,
dog.
amazingly less stress.
Yeah, like forgetting about everything you're
I don't-
worried about.
I don't even remember when my exams are.